In the event of a flat tire, first, make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface safely away from traffic. Avoid ice or slippery areas. Turn the ignition off, turn the hazard lights on, and set the parking brake. Next, retrieve the tire changing tools. You'll find the scissor-type jack and tire changing tools in the rear cargo area below the load floor. Rotate the thumb screw on the jack to loosen the assembly and remove the jack from the bracket. You'll find the spare tire underneath the rear of the vehicle, held in place by a cable winch mechanism. Fit the jack handle extension over the drive nut located under a plastic cover at the center rear of the cargo floor area. Turn the lug wrench counterclockwise on the nut until it stops and the spare tire is on the ground with enough slack in the cable to allow you to pull the tire out from under the vehicle. Pull the metal stamping toward you until you can rotate the metal stamping and feed it through the space in the plastic plate. Now, pinch the 3 short and 2 long tubes to remove the protective plate from the steel spare wheel. Then, winch the assembly back up into place. If at all possible, block the front and rear of the wheel diagonally opposite the jacking position. For example, if the right front tire is damaged, block the left rear tire. Now loosen, but do not remove the lug nuts, 1 turn counterclockwise with the wheel still on the ground. For the front axle, place the jack on the body flange just behind the front tire. To change one of the rear tires, place the jack on the flange just behind the hoist rear tie-down bracket and just in front of the rear tire. Cutouts on the sill molding indicate each jacking location. Attach the lug wrench to the jack tool with the hook. Do not raise the vehicle until you are sure the jack is fully engaged. To raise the vehicle, turn the jack screw clockwise. Raise it until the tire just clears the surface with enough clearance to install the spare. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Okay, now go ahead and remove the lug nuts and wheel. Set the spare on the vehicle with the valve stem facing out. Damage can occur if the spare tire is mounted incorrectly. Reinstall the lug nuts and lightly tighten them clockwise. Now, turn the jack handle counterclockwise to lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Next, tighten the lug nuts. Tighten each one twice in alternating fashion. Apply maximum effort for this final tightening of the lug nuts. It's always a good idea to have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. Now, just secure the tire, jack, and tools in their proper locations. Remove the blocks from the wheels, and you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.